Meaning of Ellis Island.
Ellis Island.
Ellis Island.
Ellis Island.
Ellis Island. Ellis Island was a small island in New York Harbor that served as an immigration station for millions of immigrants coming to the United States between 1892 and 1954. It was the nation's busiest immigrant inspection station during this time and served as a symbol of hope and opportunity for many coming to America to start a new life. Today, Ellis Island is a museum and historic site that preserves the stories and experiences of the millions of immigrants who pass through its doors.